Good morning, respected judges. Today I'm going to be mimicking Donald Trump.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Thank you for having me. It's great to be here at Trump Showers, the best showers. Believe me, we are making America great again, folks. Many people are saying it. Many people. We are bringing jobs back. Big league. Now, let me tell you about the Iran deal. Terrible deal. Just terrible. My uncle was a great professor at MIT. Very smart man. He understood nuclear energy better than anyone else. And let me tell you, the Iranians, they are great negotiators. But we are going to negotiate better deals, folks. Better deals. Look at this guy over here. He knows what I'm talking about. We are going to make America safe again, safer than ever. And believe me, folks, we are going to build that wall. It's gonna be a beautiful wall. The best wall you have ever seen. America, America, America.